So on Monday, we did see most of the markets here in Asia close for Labor Day holiday. But over in the US, it had been strong gains for the S&P 500 index and also a fresh all-time high for the Nasdaq. Indeed, this optimism had carried through to Tuesday, and the strong theme coming through here had been in the technology sector. So indeed, this had been an earnings-driven story, as we do see more than 50% of the tech sector that has reported Q1 earnings so far, showing with 92% of these companies surprising on the upside. On the vice versa, it is the telecoms that had been badly beaten. And indeed, we do see earnings supporting the markets through towards the next key item, which is the Fed FOMC meeting. But notably, on the other hand, we do see strong sentiment carrying through to Asia as well, and specifically for the Singapore Straits Times Index, it had been a break above the 3,200 psychological barrier and a close above on Tuesday's session. This had in part been also attributed to the stronger than expected earnings coming through from DBS, and we do see that UOB DBS itself had actually performed pretty well for the banking sector, and OCBC will be the one to watch for on the 9th of May. So looking towards what are we expecting for the rest of the week, I do see two themes emerging really strongly. First and foremost, it is the Fed FOMC meeting decision that is going to be announced in the early hours of Thursday before the Asian market open. Indeed, the market is not expecting the Fed to move rates in this meeting, and June itself has been marked out as the next possible meeting for the change in rates. But nevertheless, any rhetoric surrounding monetary policy and also attention paid to the recent weakness in terms of the economic data will really be key for the markets. And in addition to that, today also brings the ADP data during the US hours on Wednesday before the NFP data for April on Friday. So if we do see the number coming through quite closely to the strong 190K expectation for the NFP data due on Friday, I do think that will provide some reassurance to the market and bring up some upsides for the US dollar in the lead up to the June meeting. And the other key theme that I am looking at is really in the oil market. So we did see that WTI futures had dipped to a 6-week low overnight before regaining some grounds after the API data showed a 4.2 million barrel drawdown in terms of the private US inventories. And the market itself is only expecting a 3 million drawdown for the official report that is due in the US session today as well. So should we actually see some upsides over here, it could really help to start some reversal here. Of course, the longer term view is focused upon the 25th of May OPEC meeting, where we are expecting a curve in the output to be established for the next 6 months. So Japan will be away for the next 2 days as well. For the rest of this week, it might make 14 markets trading in Asia, but nevertheless, we do have several data, including China's Caixin PMI data due on Thursday, and also Indonesia's GDP due on Friday for those trading the local markets.